Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this short video I'll show you how to replace wiper blades on a Porsche Macan. I will be showing it on this 2026 model. If you try to replace windshield wiper blades when the arms are in normal resting position, if you try to lift the arm, you notice that it will hit the edge of the hood. You can damage paint on the hood and you can damage paint on the arm. To avoid this, you need to turn on Viper service mode. To turn on the Viper service mode, you need to turn the ignition on, wait for a few seconds, then turn it off, and then immediately push the Viper control stack down for a couple of seconds, and Viper blades will move up to 45-degree position. When the Vipers are in service position, I can move up the arm and replace the blade. To remove the windshield Viper blade, you need to push this button and pull the blade out. Do not leave this arm unattended. Lower it to the windshield or put a piece of cardboard or towel, because this arm is spring-loaded. If it goes down by itself and smashes the windshield, it can actually crack it. To reinstall the Viper blade, you need to align it with the opening and then push it in until you hear the click and this button engages in its position. Now you have Viper blade reinstalled and now you can lower it. And you need to do the same thing with the other side. To turn off the Viper service mode, you need to turn the ignition on and then push the Viper control stack down, and the Viper blades will come to their normal position. To remove the rear Viper blade, you need to lift the arm and squeeze those two taps. There is one tap here and the other one on the other side. Squeeze them both, pull the blade a little bit down and pull it out. So now you remove the blade. Those are the taps that need to be squeezed. To reinstall the blade, you need to align this hook on the arm with this hole on the blade. Just insert that hook into the hole in the blade and push it up until those two taps click in. You'll hear the click. So now the blade is installed. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and if you like my videos, please subscribe.